He's very curious about where you are, Jeff.
Yeah.
All right,
So,
we are.
Kellogg, that is.
So it's
Kellogg,
in. Just find a place to park here.
All right, we
Because
are
it's
in
within
Williams.
A block.
We're going
It's like to the right here.
We're gonna go get some
within this
lunch.
block.
Pooh Nannies.
Aja and Jeff needed to come into town to get some mail.
I think there's parking on the other side.
Jimmy and
Oh, so should I
Bruce
park
had to
here?
come in and do something. Well, you can't park right here. We're in the middle of the intersection.
No, I'm gonna park right at the stop sign. Yes, I'm gonna do it. They're gonna have to honk there.
So we're gonna go in here to this little. What is it called? Nannies?
Pooh Nanny. No.
Right
Nannies, I guess.
Nanny's Tacos.
Yeah, Nanny's
it's really.
Tacos.
I think it's good. So the last time we came here, Dave's RV Life, we ran in here and got some tacos. I thought they were good, although somebody said that they weren't good. So
there's this one and
I
then
thought
there's
they
another
were.
one.
All right, this is gonna be just a quick little lunch.
Wait a minute, it's not like we're going to dine and dash, right?
No,
oh, you said
no,
quick
no.
little, okay.
No, but I mean, we're not gonna walk around downtown Williams or anything. We're just gonna go in and have some lunch, and that's it, and then head back to the property.
She likes to jump to the scratch.
Hi! What's your name?
Mesa.
Hi, Mesa! Aw, cute.
She's almost 50.
Beautiful dog.
We're all here. This is such a good
Annie's Tacos.
restaurant. Yeah. Yummy.
Oh, they got a special. It's called Burrito del Chili Rianos. With rice, lettuce, and sour cream, $11. Yeah.
Oh no, they don't.
Look at, they have tongue taco.
Tongue taco?
Leg.
Wow.
What is it called?
Oh, there you go. I found it, huh? Which one then? Oh, there you go.
Ooh, this is what I'm getting, the Cali quesadilla. It's kind of asada. Get a tongue taco.
Later or?
And let's stir it together. Yep. I'll just have water in the drink, ice water, if that's okay.
We're gonna share the veggie burrito. And then 4 shrimp tacos.
Oh, more? Oh.
So the tacos are big.
Yeah, that's...
I thought they were little, you said.
They're good ones.
They're not
Yeah.
street tacos.
Thank you.
The shrimp tacos?
Yes, please.
Last time they were...
You can have street tacos sometimes, right? That's a special.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Last time I was here, they were little. So that's what I was ordering for.
She saved you.
I know. Just saved it for later. She saved me last time too because I went to order something. She's like, "That's really big." I appreciate that. So we went ahead and ordered a couple little tray of chips. $3. You can't go wrong with that. I don't think.
It's almost a bag of chips.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. This is a rice milk
Me too.
drink. Uh-oh. Let me see. I gotta go this way.
And then it was Mexican.
And it's got some spices in there. Oh, it's good. All right. We've got some shrimp tacos. Scotty, you want some lime on yours?
Oh.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Yum. Jimmy's. That looks good. Yep, that's ours too. So Scotty, this is a shrimp, veggie burrito, and we're gonna split that. Super yummy. And I like them here too because they double them up so they're not all messy. Really good. You didn't get one of these last time we were here. This is what I got last time.
Give it 4 thumbs up. Great restaurant.
4 thumbs.
How many times you got?
I don't know.
Oh, are you using your feet too?
I was thinking, yeah,
Put a thumbs
yeah.
on your
Do you
feet?
guys give it a thumbs up or thumbs down? What do you want? I'm like up for
Thumbs
sure.
up. We're busy.
Well, I finished mine.
Yeah. Jimmy can't lie. He's got it all over his finger.
Yeah.
I had some left over.
But did you like it?
It was good.
Aja's not a huge fan of
Did you
eating
just call me
Mexican
huge?
food.
You're big, but not huge.
I'm big, but not huge. Okay, that's better.
But you don't normally like to go to the Mexican restaurants.
No, because there's a lot of beans and rice, and well, I ate rice.
But this
growing
is,
up and stuff.
yeah. Scotty's kind of the same way.
Yeah, I don't.
He never orders
But
beans
this
and
is really
rice
good.
with his meal.
And I didn't get any beans or rice. It
Yeah.
was just a quesadilla.
Yeah,
That's
super
how I do
good.
it too. Muy bien. Gracias.
That was an excellent Hispanic accent you had.
I know. That's what happens when you live in Spain for a couple years.
We couldn't resist.
Well,
Where are
right
we at?
next to
Where are we at?
Safeway is Dairy Queen.
Yeah,
So
we're getting dipped cones.
Yeah.
Cherry dipped cones.
$15.
But we got lucky because Jeff was telling us that they are discontinuing dipped cones except for what? Chocolate, Jeff?
Chocolate and some new churro.
And some new churro flavor, but they actually have dipped
Churro.
raspberry here, or cherry.
I mean, I don't. Who goes and says, "Yes, I want a churro dipped ice cream cone, please"?
It obviously is good.
It's
though.
probably cinnamon. I mean,
Yeah.
churros sounds like cinnamon.
Man, they
That's
are
just,
packed
I don't know. I just not into it.
Kind of different.
Yeah, this is like the only ice cream shop.
I am William.
Unless you go to McDonald's. No, it's fine.
I'm new here.
There should be one more too.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Oh,
There you go, Jeff. It must be for the
wait,
dog.
which one's
Oh,
bigger?
mine's coming.
Okay, here, Jeff. Napkins might be
Yes,
good.
that'd be great.
Next time we
Yum.
Happy Child Blizzard.
Haven't had one of these in years. Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Look at all these people.
I get sidetracked and I was just like, why aren't you filming? So, okay, where are we?
This is our old camp. This is where we camped at before we came to the property.
There are a lot of
And
people
there wasn't
out
this
here.
many people.
No, it's
It was
packed.
busy, but not this busy.
The first time we were ever here, I don't remember it ever being this packed. I mean, there's people everywhere. There's not an event going on, is
I
there?
don't think so. It's the season. It's Williams. It's
Oh, I guess it is
it's
the season.
Yeah, it's the late spring. So
Yeah, that's true.
everybody's coming up for cool weather. And this is a lot closer than Colorado.
Yeah, just a little.
Yeah, it's pretty busy.
All right, well, we decided to come back here because we might come camping.
For a couple nights.
Yeah. It's an old bus.
Look at that bus. I like that bus.
Yeah, it's right behind the no camping sign.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm stuck in the door.
yeah, there's
hang
no
on.
camping.
I'm stuck in the window.
Yeah.
I'm stuck. Oh, God. Okay, now roll it up.
Oh, no, it goes to that Cinder Hill, which is a gun range.
Oh, wait a minute, Osh.
That's a different one. Yeah, it's a city-owned one.
Wait, you need to put it down?
I'm having complications.
I remember.
Do you see any more of those wild irises?
No, they were back there.
Oh, they were so beautiful.
Do you need me to make a second trip around?
Is that lamb's ear?
Where?
This.
No, that's
You sure?
Mullen. It looks like
Oh,
lamb's
okay.
ear.
All right. It's not as white. I
That's
just
what I
realized it.
am.
Yeah, it's not as white as lamb's ear.
No, it's very green.
All over these fields are spiders.
Lamb's ear is very good.
Yeah, lamb's ear is like silverish.
Yeah, that's why I say it's not as light.
They do. They're funnel web spiders.
This is the first place we ever camped when we came to Williams.
It is.
This site right here. Remember all the cows? We were like, holy cow.
Holy cow,
There's
there's
cows.
a lot of cows.
Yeah.
Yeah, they do come through here.
Yep.
And then this is pretty busy too.
All right, well,
Through here, look how busy this is.
but does this flood?
It does
This
in
part?
the spring, early spring.
Okay, so if we got some rain and we came down.
No, this was because of snow
Okay,
melt.
slow down.
Right here
Slow
is
down.
where
Let's see.
It washed
So,
out the road right
I
here.
don't. This one's so
That was our
close to the
camping
road.
spot right there.
Well, how do you get out into the wilderness?
Oh, there's
out
another
there?
road over on that side over there.
The wilderness. How do you get out to the wilderness out
It's
there?
literally like 20 feet from us.
They're both past.
Oh. But see, I like that out there. See how far back they are?
It's wooded. I like the wooded.
I love that.
We camped in here last time.
Oh, yeah, we
Look
could
how
get
rutted
back
that
there.
is, though.
Yeah.
Well, not right here.
It's not even level.
Now the ranger does come through here, so.
Well, we'd only be here for a couple days.
No, I'm just talking about like people.
All right. But what about down here? Can you go down in here?
But it's really
It,
camp?
it gets really
Like
rutted.
down here? Oh, no, you can't go that
No,
way.
you can't go that. No motor vehicles that way, but you can go back here.
You have to, as you go back a little ways, then you have to get off the road.
Yeah, but we're all gonna tent it, right?
Yeah.
You're not bringing your rig.
Well, I might bring my trailer.
Okay, well, I'm not bringing my rig. Oh, yeah, this is not. This is like.
Right.
Yeah, this is. We're not gonna camp up here.
No.
No.
I wouldn't bring my rig up this.
No, I don't think you should take your truck up here either. Yeah.
Brought my Corvette. Oh. Hold on, Moo Moo.
Okay, Aja has decided to go four-wheel drive.
Holy moly.
Okay, Aja, we don't need to go any further. That's enough. Oh, golly. No. All right, well, maybe we'll come on back here and check it out and camp. I mean, we could get back here with our truck.
Yeah. It's really pretty back here. They got a lot.
Yeah, look at this campsite back here we could camp out in.
Yeah, they got a lot of moisture, so there's pretty green.
See this
everywhere.
little site right here is kind of cool.
This was taken the last time we were here,
Okay.
but no one's here now.
Yeah, I would love to come out and camp where we can get away from
People. You don't have to be
the
right in the
mass
midst
majority
look
of
at-
everybody.
There's a van back here.
Oh yeah, maybe we know. Oh, that scared me.
What scared?
They're on the other road. Yeah, they're way back here. Oh yeah, let me check the cell service. Aja, why are we doing this? Aja wants to go 4-by-in.
Well, we've got groceries, so we'll turn around. I just wanted to show y'all a little bit of it.
Yeah. Oh. Have you been? Oh, Aja, are you gonna be able to make that one?
Yeah.
Oh gosh. Are you sure?
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh.
There's a turnaround here. I'll turn around.
Oh, okay. You've already been here, so you know.
Yeah, we walked this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Because that's not really that friendly of a road.
No. But this is a turnaround right
Okay.
here. And there's another camp spot right here.
Yeah, I like the other one.
You like the other one?
Yeah, this one's too far back. Well, for one, well, I guess we could move rock.
Yeah. It's not that far back. Look at a lot of wildflowers back here.
Here's our free firewood.
Oh gosh.
Let me go forward a little.
Oh. There is firewood, babe. You can find some firewood out here.
Well, I mean, literally, we have the permit, so we could just, not for here, but we could
Can't we
bring
do this?
some.
Road?
We have firewood back at home.
Yeah, this would be a little rocky for tenting, you guys.
I know. Marsha sent us.
No, see, like this right there, the flat spot.
Okay, but there's how many of us that would go camping? My tent, your tent, Jeff's tent, Jimmy's tent. That's a lot of tents.
Oh, Jennifer and Jason's.
Jennifer and Jason.
I'll sleep
So
in the
we.
back of my truck.
Well, that's true. We could camp in the back of the
Yeah,
truck.
you totally could if you had a
Except
car.
my air mattress will not fit in between the fender wells.
Oh, well, no.
No.
Oh, that's sad.
I know, we got to get one that actually fits between there. Oh, look at this little cute one. They've got already a roasting pit going on.
Zoom in on that. That's cool.
Okay, hang on a minute.
You see the fur on it from the rabbit?
What? There's a rabbit there?
There was a rabbit on it. I see rabbit fur.
What? Scotty.
Don't you see the rabbit foot hanging up?
No.
You're making it up, Scotty.
Oh,
You're
I
making
didn't have
that
my
up.
glasses on.
Scott.
It was one of those fuzzy things that flew in my eyeball.
That's called a.
It is
that's called
pretty out here. I love
flower seed.
Yeah.
I love
I have
camping
flower
in the
seed my
woods.
eyeball.
It
And
is
I'm
beautiful
okay
back
about
here,
the
isn't it?
snakes as long. I told Scotty if we tent, he has to zip the zipper of the tent door like
Are you
up
still
here.
zoomed in?
Well, no, I'm good. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
The zipper has to be up here so that the snake can't open the zipper at the bottom.
Wait, let's read that. No, say that again. Okay, now what?
So that the
gear and
so
ammo.
the
So
zipper has to be,
you gotta say
know-
you gotta say Scotty's gotta zip up. You gotta say.
Okay, well, Scotty has to zip up the tent up here. The zipper needs to be up here on the door and not down here by the ground.
Why?
Because the snake might get through that door.
She says snake's scared. Do you have a phobia?
I do.
I know, and last time we camped, the snake opened the door. I couldn't believe it. I left the zipper down.
Are you full of crap
No,
today?
I'm just telling. I was
What'd
telling.
you say? What'd you say?
I said last time I had the zipper down low, the snake opened up the door
With its mouth?
with its tail. It was a
slithering tongue is what he opened it with.
Yeah, it
What
was
is
going.
that?
What is this?
Oh, a
Oh,
dandelion.
This is nice.
Hang on. They're wish flowers. Oh,
Dandelions.
look at all the dust.
Yeah.
They're dandelions, but they're wish flowers.
Yeah, that's what a dandelion is.
This is a lot less
Well,
right
you
here.
can eat the dandelion,
Terry, if
but
you look at this, lot less rocky and
Make a
easier
wish.
to tend here. This is better tenting.
Okay.
I could
yeah,
blow on
you
top
guys,
of
all right.
thing.
So let's hope
This is a nice
that
area.
when we come back out here, maybe in a couple days, hopefully this will be available. Because I think that would be the best spot for all of us.
Yes. It's very tentable.
Okay.
It is. It's nice back here.
Yeah.
And we don't never come this way.
Right.
We always go to the same spot.
Right. Okay. So this might be good. Now, would Jimmy be able to get back here with his... Oh, yeah, he's got his little car.
CRV.
And then Jen and Jason, they would be able to as well.
They got the tracker
Okay, cool.
that Jason calls a truck.
Yeah.
That is totally not a truck.
So these rocks are pokey.
Well, they're not too awful bad. We'll go this way.
Oh. Yes,
As I
because
say-
that road was not good enough.
No, that road was probably much better than the
It
one I
was
chose.
better.
I chose like the worst road. Oh my god, and it's washed out.
I'm not quite. Oh, there's a dog toy in the middle.
I'm gonna go this way.
Oh,
I didn't need that.
I didn't
kitten
need.
anyway.
Well, let's
Never
go-
mind the cracked head.
Yeah, let's go this way.
All right.
There are a
Yeah,
lot of people
instead of
outside.
being,
It's
I'd
nice
rather
being
be in the back where we can have some privacy.
That's closed.
Yeah, right here. If you go to the left over here, it's closed now. But there was a river down there.
Oh,
Yeah.
in the winter?
No,
Oh,
no,
look at.
no. In the spring. In the spring.
We just met Vicky. She was at Dollar General. She's a viewer of ours. Oh, funny. Look at that nice one back there, Osh. Like
Oh,
that little open spot back there.
Oh yeah.
Looky, we could get back there too.
We can do whatever we want.
Yeah, we should go back there and check those out.
Did you want to go back there?
No, we could do it when we get here though, because there is a nice open area back there.
But you can't go back too far because there are no
road.
camping signs.
Okay.
Or you can always come camp by the road here.
Oh yeah.
There's like one bar back there.
All right, like Asha just said, we just had an